Did you know that Chihuahuas have the most dramatic reactions to bath time in the entire dog kingdom? Meet Peanut, a 5-pound drama king who just spotted his worst enemy. That tiny blue basin filled with warm, soapy water might as well be a pool of lava. Watch as he transforms into a furry Shakespeare actor, complete with trembling legs and eyes that scream pure betrayal. The way he's backing away, you'd think we asked him to swim with sharks. And there it is, the classic Chihuahua move, hiding behind the couch, like it's going to save him from 2 inches of water. Look at those eyes, people. That's the look of a dog who's convinced his humans have officially lost their minds. The dramatic sighs, the pitiful whimpering, the way he's clinging to that towel like it's his security blanket. All this theater for a simple bath that'll last maybe 3 minutes. Honestly, Peanut could win an Oscar for this performance. Who knew getting clean could be so traumatic?